Hello, what's up, guys? I'm currently making a cave system on Wisplight. So the cave system is basically just part of the quarry. So here, so it starts from here, then enter this cave network. I tested this, but it's somewhat too big, so I need to add stuff here. This is just a draft of the layout, just to so we will have a feel of where things is situated, something. So right now it's so big, like I think we need to put one big rock here at the center. All right, got the flu this week. Still don't haven't recovered yet from the flu, so there's still cough. Okay, we're gonna make this some rocks in the middle, and then we're gonna put stalagmites. So this is I place this here just to fill in the void. This the place is too like it's too big. So maybe have some people mine here as well. Maybe make a camp here. Okay, that will do. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, let me fix something here first. Okay. I think this should be fine. Right. So we enter here, and immediately there's two paths. We'll be putting here some scaffoldings or something. Okay. Okay, let's test this one. Oh, okay, wait. I already made a system to save from a different scene, so we can now load new scenes from this place. right? I think this is okay, but it's too huge. Like the place is huge, right? So we need to make something like, I don't know, maybe we can put here a scaffolding, and then we can see miners mining the sides, and here as well. Then we go down. So there'll be two layers. There's a top layer and then a bottom layer, maybe. Yeah, we'll just put some scaffoldings. Just this cave is too big, I think. What we use this force force rock. Let's test it out first, because this one is it's too pixelated in a way. Just test it first. think we need to make a loader below. Let's make a loader below so that we will not run back and forth from the top and then here as well. Yeah, let's make a loader first down. So next time we'll just load at the entrance of the cave. Let's put this here at the entrance. So that next time we go here, it will save us this location. Okay, this will do for now. Let's do some scaffoldings. Let's work on that. Because I don't really like this place is too. What do you call this? We need to modify a lot of stuff here first. So I want this place down a bit. Just lower this place. Here as well. Or what if we're just gonna remove everything? Let's so here it's just the higher place. And there's a lower place. Just use this type of rock. The coarseness of it seems to be okay from the inside. Just gonna lay the foundations for the platforms. Like the idea is this should be the higher part where some miners are mining. So I'm gonna put scaffolding here. And this one is the lower area. Here. Sorry. I think we're gonna push this. Just the texture for this is too it's too big. It's got a copy of this. Scale it to 1. Supposed to be this is the correct scaling. Scale it to 1. And we'll just duplicate it and create something with a high textured wall here. Then in the background, we'll just use this. Something like that. And let's just copy same. And we'll just sprinkle some rocks later on. This is just an initial layout. Just to get the feel of things. Okay. Let's just add more here. Okay, I think that would do. Okay, so what we want is to put a scaffolding here. So player can get up here and fight enemies here, mining enemies. Let's fix this also. Let's enhance this texture. This one is too pixelated. This one too. We're just gonna use that as like the background. We can't really see it if we're looking from afar, but if we go near, it's very noticeable. So later we'll just sprinkle in some other rocks to break the repetitiveness of the pattern. But for now, we'll just do this. And here at the top, since it's already at the top, we don't really need, so we can bring this up a bit. Not too much though. Like that. Okay. And same here. They're just basically the same rocks. And we'll just add some stuff later on. We can actually do this. Let's just do that for now. Sprinkle in some of these rock chunks. This rocky texture, this coarse rock texture that we have. Yeah, we're gonna sprinkle them in just to break the repetitiveness and to hide some of the blurry parts. Like that. See that? So let's try. Let's try this. So see, it's a bit different now. Let's test it. So we will still load at the top of the cliff. I'll just pass the compound for now. Let's pass this way. So this is the previous settlement that we made. So I actually added stuff here already, like some racks here. The repair table as well. You can put here some stuff. Then the prison. Yeah, those are the things that we added. Here we'll be putting here some racks as well. Optional racks for tools. Also have the warehouse here. It's the warehouse. And then the court. This is the prison courtyard. This will be one of our settlements also in the future. And this one we have the stone cutter, where we can upgrade as well. Can upgrade this. Anyway, so let's try and let's go to the cave that we're trying to make. So this part here is supposed to be another shortcut area, but it's not finished yet. So here, this is the cave that we're making right now. Okay, so it's far way much better right now. With those, this coarse rock, it really breaks the monotony. See that? So we're gonna put here some rock nodes. Miners will be mining. We'll be placing here a scaffolding as well, like scaffolding where player can walk on the side. Then road goes down here as well. Here, okay, so this one is pixelated, see, compared to this. So this is the correct one actually. It's rock. So okay, so let's do that. Let's plan. So here, we should have a scaffolding that goes up. Skeleton is small, so scaffolding should be there. It will hug this this line, and then it will exit here. Then there will be a stair going down here as well. Then maybe we'll put here a second level where we can go up as well. Maybe here too. Yeah, so let's make it multi-layered. Let's make this cave multi-layered. Can we put water in this cave? I don't know. So this rock formation here, this is okay. We'll be placing nodes there anyways. This one, place nodes here. Maybe ore veins. Yeah, I think that we'll put an ore vein here inside, an iron ore vein. And then I don't know, maybe put a ladder here, something, or these stairs, or bring this down. I don't know. So, but here essentially we want to start here. Maybe we can raise that up, and then we can start the scaffolding here. Then we go up here. These are just scaffoldings here. Up to here. And ladder going down, or stairs going down. Okay, let's do that. Let's get some props. So we're gonna use these props here. Or not. Maybe we're gonna use this one. This is better, I think. This one. Wooden floor 2. Ruined 2. Yeah, we'll just use this one. And we're gonna use this stair here. This one. Just okay. We're gonna use maybe some of these scaffoldings. Okay, let's try. Let's just arrange it first for now. Yeah, this is good. Okay, we want it to just touch the sides. Want it to feel makeshift. Something like that. Okay, this is just temporary, but this is the general idea. Okay, now let's get some scaffoldings. We can use this one. I think there's a smaller one for this though. This is just too big. We can use this. Scaffold C. We can use scaffold C. Wait, how shall I do this? Looks awkward. Like that, maybe? Shall we do scaffold A, like the square one? Yeah, let's just use this, the default. It's too small. Let's 1.2. Yeah, 1.2. And we'll just scatter this around the area. That. I don't want it to make it too perfect, really. We want it makeshift. Okay, let's get some stairs. So wait, it's wrong. Scaffolding 14. Okay. This is too wide, though. This is too wide. Yeah, it's too wide. Just rotate this. like that, like a ramp. So again, we want this as makeshift as possible. So we don't want it to be perfect looking. We want it to be ruined. I think this is too wide. Let's make it smaller a bit. Okay, so I think this is okay now. Let's copy this. And let's move it here. This one we can make this slant. Okay. So this will be an issue later, but we're just gonna fill this with terrain later. Just need to um we're doing the feel first of the location. We'll polish later. So basically Aya will just be the one to polish most of these things. So I'm just doing like the flow, where things go and so on. Maybe we can put here another like layer. So this will be a mining area here, similar to here. Let's just get some of these things. that. Maybe. This maybe. So you want this to be like to have more area. That. I'll just raise this around here. And this place, I think we can just directly make this wax. Gonna rotate one. Okay, so let's add torches, some lighting stuff. So we just need this type of torch. This one, the standing torch. So we want one here near the stair. Like that. Okay, let's fix this first. Okay. So we want one here. We want some at the mining area. So here, probably. Maybe another one here. So we'll be putting a miner here also. Wait, this is... Nah, not here. Maybe here. Then obviously here at the cave. And then here by the entrance. Here, we want it here. Then at the mining area as well. There'll be miners, so it put some torches here and there. Here maybe. Then another one by the entrance. Here. Sorry. There you go. Let's test. Wait, let's fix this one first. There we go. Just to keep things smooth. We really need this. Let's just delete it. Okay. About here. Yeah, this seems to be okay now. Let's test it. So right now I think we'll spawn at the entrance of the cave. Since we added a spawner there that saves our last location. Yeah, we did spawn here. Yeah, let's disable occlusion culling for now. So we haven't occluded this map yet. Alright, looks good. So obviously players will be drawn here by the light. Let's test the movements. So if we fall here, it will be hard going up. So we need to set the height of this so that it will just be at the tip of this here. That's the next goal. Oh, what's going on here? There's no colliders. So this is an error. In fact, it's for most. Really? Oh no. Okay, so we did wrong. Did something wrong. But so far, looks fine. Looks like a mine. We can put one here as well. Like, you can go up here. Okay, let's fix the bugs. So first bug, all of there are errors here with most of the planks. See this one wrong. Okay. So we should not copy LOD0, but this one instead. Do it like this. Okay, like that. So we want it as makeshift as possible. Like we don't want it looking like proper. We want it to be ruined. It should look bad. Here. Okay. Should do it. Let's just do a bit of rotations um just to break the pattern. Just a It would do. So we're just using one set of blank here. Like that. Don't want to use a lot though, because that's not good for performance. Okay, so let's increase here the height. We just wanted to touch the tip of this, like that, like that. See, so that should fix the problem of us with the walking. Okay. So that should work for now. Let's increase this. So we can. This is lowered here, so we can just flatten this a bit. Like that. So we just want this part here to align with the planks. So we can actually just lower these parts here. There will be different height elevations as well. Okay. This one. Sorry. Next, this place. Let's put some planks here. That. Okay, like that. Maybe. Then maybe here. Let's just increase the height here. Like that. Let's see. It's too high. Let's flatten it a bit. I think we need to add more. Let's just make this a longer like that. Or we can transfer this on the other side. Right here. Nah. How about here? Yeah, this will work. Okay, that would do. Then we need torches. Torches here. There'll be something mining here. I think nah. Let's just remove this thing here. It's too weird. Just drop this like so. And this will be the pathway to the miner here. We can put a torch maybe. So there will be a miner here mining an iron ore node. Okay. Let's test it again. Let's go. So we can now seamlessly walk here on this side. So the miners here. This one we need to fix terrain here as well. Okay, so all we need are props, like rock chunk props here. Also we need to think about enemy placement, so there'll be some miners here as well. So far it's seems to be okay. Okay, what's going on here? So we move this back. So this is opened. So we'll be mining here as well. About this part, it's overkill. I think this will be the base for the mining. I think this will be good now. This is just a transition area for the player to move from the lower part of the quarry. Because the quarry is huge. Like let's check the quarry. So this is the first level of the quarry, basically. So there'll be people mining here as well. Here, the top. This place will be closed off, so we can't really go anywhere unless we pass through this first cave network. Sorry. We'll go up there. What if I fall here? Oh, so it's okay. We can pass through. So Vince will be the one to check all of those things. Like, he will check if there are places that players get stuck. This one also, he will check this. Like, this looks weird. There's a line there, so we should figure out a way to remove that. Let's fix the. Let's do some polishing. Okay, this part. Need to move these things. Or let's just add new rocks, because this one is too pixelated anyway. Let's add one there. What else? I think land here. We'll change terrain here. Let's just copy here first. Wait. I think we have the same height. Nah, I don't. They're very near though. The height is close. Let's just increase it. There. Set height. Okay. Yeah, that should work. There. And then we need to pull it down on this side here. Oh. So that the rocks will just be the one intruding. Like that. Okay, so what else? Here. Okay. I think this is all good now. Let's look for other loophole. Yeah, let's test it first. And after this, we're gonna, I don't know if we still have time though, but the next goal is the second part. This cave system will be 2 parts. It's part of a like 2 cave network. Okay, let's remove occlusion first. Occlusion there. Okay, so this is the first look. So we'll see there a miner. So there should be a miner here. And maybe an enforcer. There'll be an enforcer here watching the miners. There's one miner here too. Once we defeat them, some enforcers will approach you. So there will be enforcers here as well. And some miners here mining. There too, at the bottom. Here as well. There's maybe one here mining. Then a few inside this cave. Then there's also one miner here at the top here. So this is the first area. I think this is so far so good. Like the flow is okay. Then the next area will be there at the top. Let's just go. Let's I don't know if we can go there. Let's just try. Oh, and I'm not sure if we can go there. There we can go. Yeah, so that's there will be a second port. Which we can access this way. We can go straight there. It will just be something like this in a way, but maybe smaller, I don't know. And then it should lead to, let's just go there. Let's see. I think we can just teleport there. But the idea here is oh, this is the area. And then there's this. Oh, this will be the upper part of the mine. I think I'm gonna make this smaller because I don't want it too big. It's the lower part is already big. So this part there. So this is actually the exit. So we exit here. This one. And then this is the upper part now of the mine. So we basically came from that place there down this place. And there's no way to get up. except through that mine. So this is the this is like a linear way to get through the quarry. Because you can't get up here without passing through this mine. Then next, there'll be two mines like that in the quarry that interconnects with each other. So this one, that's supposed to be locked there. And we will also see some miners here doing their stuff, mining. But during the day, at night time, there's actually no miners. Then here, there at the top, that area there'll be a mine there. We're gonna make a scaffolding at this part. But essentially, there's a mine there. And that mine will also lead to the next layer. Which is the upper part of this. So you can't really go up there at the moment. So you need to pass through the mine again, and then you should arrive here. Let's try and pass here. There's no blockers here yet. Yeah, so that's the idea. You will exit this part here. I don't know. I'm still thinking if we're gonna put another mine or what, but I like the idea of having multiple mines. So, yeah, so the idea is to have a mine there, and then pass through just a short mine, and then you'll exit here. So maybe we can put the mine here at the center, and then it should exit somewhere there. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, this is dangerous. Players will fall there. So basically, this is the the last part of the quarry. This part. Which is the prison. So the prison is another mine inside. and this is basically one of our settlements. There. So there'll be entrances there, yeah, by the mountain. Anyway, so yeah, so we're back to, from the start, which is it's actually down here, the entrance to the mine. This one. There. I like this part. So we're gonna continue with the next part. There, up. So we put something here too. No need. Yeah, let's see now. So this is still a lot of work to do here. See this? So we're gonna refine this pathway. I think I'm gonna change these rocks as well. Change them to these coarse rocks. This looks better at night compared to these, which is it's too pixelated. Yeah. Yeah, so basically it's just planks, makeshift planks, and then um I think we're gonna make this smaller though, like it's too big. This I don't know, maybe we can keep this part and make this a bit smaller, maybe just remove this part here. Let's just make something here. Let's do some layout just so that we will know where to put things like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Let's make it very narrow. That. Like that. This is just the exit. Don't really need to make it super detailed. Okay, so that's a general idea maybe. So it's just from here, will be just straight up. Maybe fight some enforcers passing through here. And it'll still be a scaffolding area here. And here another scaffolding area. Oopsie, wrong. So here's another error here. Yeah, but basically scaffolding and scaffolding here. Hello, Saffron. Saffronov. Yeah, I think that should be the plan. So we don't want it to be as big as this here. We just want it smaller. So we pass through here. Make this very tight, maybe. Very tight. And scaffolding, and then here. Let's take this rock here. Very the ceiling should be like this also, like real low ceiling, like that maybe. We're gonna adjust this later. Okay, that's the first one, and then this should be low ceiling. The low ceiling will make it look claustrophobic, which is okay. We're gonna test this if this texture is okay. It's far anyway, so Good now. Okay. Okay, so let's test this part. And this one, let's just gonna erase it first. Just erase it up to here. There. Okay, it should look good now. So let's test it. Let's just check if the size is correct. Let's check it. And see also the ceiling if it looks fine. So right now we're actually working on the quarry, and this is a part of the quarry. Let's check the quarry first. So outside, this is what the quarry looks like. Wait, let me turn off occlusion first. Okay, so this is the quarry. And then I'm currently working on the cave that will link the lower quarry to the upper quarry. So this is the cave. So there'll be miners here working. Hmm, I'm not sure with the ceiling. I think we're gonna change the ceiling. Make it smaller maybe. It's too big. And then this will exit the upper part of the quarry. It's this part. So we came from down there and we exited this upper part of the quarry. I think we're gonna change this. Put the stairs here on this side. Okay, let's go backwards. What's going on? That's an error. I think the ceiling is okay. Maybe make this smaller, this passage smaller. I think that's maybe make the passageway smaller and then change the size of the ceiling maybe. Make it different. So this is actually the entrance. So this is where we come from if we're gonna visit the quarry. So down there is the forest biome. So it's not done yet, but there's an elevator that we need to ride to transfer from one scene to another. let's check during daytime. So during daytime, it should look something like this. Ah, so this is daytime. We're still gonna adjust the fog though, because it's too foggy. So there's no um I have a system that makes the caves dark, but right now it's not yet here. So what we're seeing right now is like similar to daytime inside caves, but supposed to be it should be dark like this, pitch black. If it's nighttime. So I already have a system for that. We just need to add it to this cave system. Okay, so I think let me just get a screenshot of this first. I'm gonna use this in the next live session. Let's find a good angle. I think the entrance is good enough. Like this part. I think this looks good. Right? Okay, let's get a screenshot of this. I'm gonna use this for future thumbnails. Alright. So yeah. So I think that's it for now. I'm gonna continue because it's already 2 a.m. So I need to sleep. And I need to go somewhere tomorrow. I'll be back next year, maybe. So yeah, so um that's it for now, and we'll be working next time. Or maybe I'll work on it offline, maybe. But the next goal is to finish the upper part. Then that should sum up this cave system. Then maybe I'll work on other stuff like the prisoners, because we're actually done with the new enemies for the place. Like here, we have this one, the slavers, so they're actually done, and we just need to create them in game. Because now they're just 3D models essentially, so we need to put them in the game. Where's this guy? This guy, Foreman. Okay, we need to add them. This one, the enforcers. They're the basic enemies in the mines. This guy. Then basically the prisoners as well. So we will be making new animations, like mining animations for enemies, new behavior for prisoners, because prisoners don't really attack you. So if they see you, essentially they'll just be mining here using like a crude pick like this. That so they'll just be mining, and then if you hit them, they'll just defend themselves, and they will attack you if you go near them. If not, they'll just be doing their business mining. But the enforcers, though, the guards that are guarding them, they're the one who will attack you. So they will not really have a very difficult combat animation, because the mines is actually an early level of the game, so we don't want it to be that difficult. So just the basic enemy movement and attacks. So we'll just give them a basic whack, maybe. Just a basic attack will do. Like, cause they're using cudgels, so we'll just hit you with their cudgels. Then maybe sometimes they will circle around you. Yeah, so that's the general idea for these enemies. As for miners, they will not really attack. They will just attack you if you're gonna attack them. So that's their general behavior. And maybe I'm gonna add a variation of the prisoners. Maybe there's one that is bigger, like a brute prisoner. It's more aggressive, so if it finds you, it will try and attack you. Similar with the guards. So yeah, so essentially most of the enemies that you will see in the mines are the enforcers, and there's the foreman. The foreman is a somewhat like a mini boss, but not really a very difficult mini boss. It's an easy mini boss, and we'll find them here as well. They have higher health, obviously, than the rest of the enforcers. There'll be lots of them, so they're a repeat enemy, but they will have different designs. Maybe some of them will have different caps, different helms, and so on. But essentially, they're called foreman. So yeah, maybe we can put one here in this cave. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. So, as for the enemies in the mines, what to expect from them? They're fairly easy. They have low health. They have basic and combat animations. There will be like there's the foreman, who is a repeat mini boss. So it's they're scattered all around. And maybe I'm gonna add a variation, like the brute miner, or brute prison slave miner. Yeah, and we have the slave miners. What else do we have? Yeah, I think that's about it for the mines. So yeah, so that will be it for today. Finally we've built this cave system from scratch. So on the next live session, maybe we're gonna finish the other one at the top part and continue figure out, or maybe we can playtest this. I'm gonna add enemies. Hopefully next year we will have or we will have completed all the enemies for this area. Basically the slaver faction. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Till next time.